Holy moly. Nike's doing all right. You ever heard of Nike before?
Yeah.
You're wearing Nikes right now. You got a pair of Air Max. Actually, the Air Max, a big part of their recent success. Apparently, people love Nike, even during lockdown, even pandemic mode. People just said, oh, we can't go to the store or the mall, to the Foot Locker. No problem. We're just going to order Nike online.
Yeah.
And they did that in a big way. In fact, Nike has surged 10% on Wednesday after the company reported financial results that crushed expectations. See, people thought, pandemic, why you can't even show off your sneakers? Why are you going to be spending all this money on these sneakers? You can't even show them off, pandemic.
Oh.
But you know what really happened? People got the extra time and they said, I'm going to take up jogging. I'm going to take up fitness. I'm going to take up CrossFit. I'm going to take up yoga. I'm going to take up... And they said, I got to order up some new shoes for that. So it was the athletic side of it. You can pick up a little steam in the online. Plus, people are miserable sitting at home. And you know how it goes with the exercise. You get the endorphins going. And so you justify, you hop on Nike's website, you get a little extra motivation because you picked up the new colorway.
Yeah. Are those Nikes over there?
No, those are
Marios?
Pumas.
Oh.
This is the limited edition Super Mario collab with J. Cole. I never shouted it out. I put it on display for you.
It's just there.
J. Cole is actually quite a basketball player. This is a basketball sneaker in collaboration, as mentioned, with Nintendo, more specifically Super Mario. I don't know how many of these are out there. I saw them on StockX. They reached out and said, hey, man, want to send you a pair? And I was like, you know what? I'm going to put that on display for people. If you are a Super Mario fan, I don't know how easy it is to get your hands on this. It's the J. Cole X Puma RS Dreamer Super Mario 64. So if you're a hooper or you just feel it for the style, if you want to show up to the court and catch some eyeballs and sport your drip.
Do a Mario jump too?
You see, I didn't clear that with you in advance that I was going to say drip today.
Oh.
Yeah, exactly. Drip check.
2020.
Drip check. Sheesh. Anyway, Nike doesn't care what you call it as long as you buy it. And that's what people have been doing. The company reported revenue of $10.6 billion, crushing analysts' expectations of $9.15 billion. They got their boost from parents stocking up on back-to-school items. Women's apparel grew 200%, and business picked up in markets like China. You didn't see that coming. Before the virus hit, Nike was aiming to have its e-commerce sales make up to 30% of its total revenue by 2023, but the company has already now surpassed that and is on track to break 50%. 50% of Nike's revenue, 50% of, what did I say it was? $10.6 billion coming from online. That's some e-commerce. Over 5 billies online. I didn't have to see you.
They're doing something right.
You didn't even have to breathe on me. And I got over 5 billies. I'll take it every day.